Welcome back, viewers. Thank you for subscribing my channel and thanks for your feedbacks. Today I'm working on 2015 Ford Explorer. We just did the front brake pads and rotors. Now I'm doing brake pads and rotors. So let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and break loose the wheel lug nuts. Place a jack stand for your safety. Short the wheel. Remove your lug nuts. Remove them. Put them on a side. Take this screw out, T40. Loosen up. Alright, remove these two caliper bolts. They are 13 millimeter. Loosen them up. Break and loose the bottom one. The bolts are the same size, 13 millimeter bolts. Go ahead and remove the caliper. You can't compress it because it has a screw on the piston, so just back and forth. There you go. Leave it here. Remove brake pads. Wow, these are almost gone. Good time to replacing it. Next, we're going to remove these two bolts. They are 15 millimeter. Let's go ahead and loosen them up. Loosen the top one. Stud. Break loose. Remove it. Clean the hull. The wire brush. For the This is a part number for the rear brake pad, the rear rotors. Let's go ahead and measure the rotors, lay them flat, make sure they are in height. Back to back, same height, and lay on the back. This hole, set it here for the rotor holding screw. Tighten this up, T40. rear brake pads number. They come with the new hardware, so I'll just go ahead and replace the hardware. If your brake don't come with the hardware, so you can still use them, just clean them with the wire brush. Alright, so let's go ahead and put back bracket. Turn it on. They do have a factory. If you want, you can just go ahead and put them on. Please check your manufacturer torque specification before you tighten it. Alright, go ahead and pull these pins out for the top. Wipe off the old grease and apply a new lube. Second pin. Just measure the new brake pads. It looks the same. See the difference? The new one and the old one. It's almost gone. Almost metal to metal. Apply a little bit of lube on the tip of the brake pads. Make sure don't apply on the brake area. And place in here like that. Same thing with this. All right, now we need to push this, compress this piston back. But it has a screw, so we do need a special tool like this. Just go ahead and place this tool. That, tighten up. Keep turning until it's compressed fully. All right, so make sure these two openings line up with this and it's fully tight, and let's see if it fits in the pads. Push this pin, push the bottom pin, and there you go. Go ahead and start putting the bolts. Bottom one. Again, check your manufacturer torque specification for these two bolts. Put your tire back. Put your lug nut back. And make sure once you tied it with the crisscross pattern. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Go ahead and extend. Lower eject. Out. And remove. Torque wheel in crisscross pattern. This has a 100 foot-pound torque. Don't forget to check your brake fluid level, because sometimes you do need it, sometimes you don't. So just make sure you have your level is correct, the brake fluid, and pump your brake pedal a few times before you start it or before you test drive the car. And this is how we replace the rear brake rotors and brake pads for the 2015 Ford Explorer. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave in the comment box below. Thank you, and see you later.